This video is just a quick instructional video on how to do your worksheets for your Lesson 6 review. You do have Monday and Tuesday to do your review worksheets. Remember to Skype me with absolutely any questions you have, okay, because you have a test on Wednesday. Okay, that's going to be Lesson 7. It's going to be Test 4 over fractions. So please, 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 please make sure that you get a hold of me and ask absolutely any questions that you have. Okay? And then Thursday is going to be Lesson 8, which we're going to start with decimals, and you have off on Friday because it's Good Friday. You will also have off on the following Monday. Okay? So packet pickup is on Thursday this week, so make sure you're ready to go. Okay, this upcoming week. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. For worksheets 1 and 2, so you'll see the way I stapled your packet. Okay? The first worksheet is mixed problems with fractions. The next worksheet is fraction operations review. For both of those worksheets, you're going to watch videos 1, 2, and 4. That's adding and subtracting with like denominators, adding and subtracting with unlike, and then multiplying and dividing. Okay? And then for worksheet 3, which is word problems, you're going to watch the lesson 5 video. Now, something I forgot to put on here, worksheet 3, even numbers only. Okay, so that's just a note for you. Alright, now I'm going to explain to you how to do worksheet number 2. Okay, because it can be kind of confusing. What it says at the top, it says to solve the first problem, then take the answer and insert it into the first blank in the next problem. Continue until you reach the end. If all problems are solved correctly, you should end up with the answer at the bottom of the page. Okay, so number 1 says 2 and 5/6 plus 3 and 2/3. Okay, so your first step is to solve for this problem. So we have 17 over 6 plus 11 over 3. Okay, you get that by multiplying and then adding, and then your denominator does not change. Okay, so you have 17 over 6 plus 11 over 3. We're going to change this denominator to 6, so now we have 17 over 6 plus 22 over 6, which gives us 39 over 6 inside, outside, 39 divided by 6. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 and 3 6, sorry, which is 6 1/2 when you reduce. So what you would do is you would come back here. So your answer is 6 1/2. You will put 6 1/2 in this blank, and now you will divide 6. You will do 6 1/2 divided by 1 1/8. Okay, and then you'll take that answer and put it in this blank, and then you'll subtract. Okay. So, Skype if you have any questions regarding how to do that worksheet. The answer you're given for number 12 is 2/3. So if you do everything correctly, the answer you should get is 2/3. Okay? Now we're going to look at the last worksheet, which is worksheet 3, which is word problems. Remember, you are doing the even numbers for homework. Okay, so all the even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And you have a word bank, or number bank, I guess, up at the top that gives you your number options. If you get an answer that is not listed up there, you did something wrong. Okay? So, we're going to do a couple of examples, and then we're going to be done, and I'm going to let you go work. Okay? Number 1 says a box of folders weighs 2 6/9 pounds. If you have 2 boxes, how much would they weigh? Okay. So you have 2 6/9 plus another box that is 2 6/9. So you would go ahead and solve. You can get 4 12/9. Okay, you can do inside, outside. 12 divided by 9 gives you 1 3/9, which is the same thing as 1 1/3. So you get 5 1/3 pounds. Okay, that's number 1. Number 3, when Olivia charges her 3DS fully, it lasts for 4 hours. If she only charged it 2/9 full, how long would it last? Okay, well, you have 2/9 of the full charge, which is 4 hours. Okay, that's number 3. I'll leave that one for you to solve. Number 5, a full container of industrial cleaning solution had 4 1/9 liters of liquid. If the container was only 5/8 full, how many liters are in there? Okay, so again, this is exactly like number 3. We have 5/8 of 4 1/9. Okay, because 4 1/9 is the full container, you have 5/8 of that full container. Okay, and I'm sorry, that's number 5, not number 4. All right, number 7 says a baby frog weighed 4 4/5 ounces. After a month, it was 3 3/5 times as heavy. How much did the frog weigh after a month? What that means is it weighed 4 4/5 ounces at birth, and it was 3 times as heavy. Okay, 3 3/5 times as heavy. So you're going to multiply those two numbers together to get how much the baby frog weighed after 1 month. And remember, you're dealing with ounces. Always remember your labels. All right, and the last one we'll look at together is number 9. A large container of lemon juice used 2/4 of a bag of lemons. If a small container used 1/6 of the amount of the large container, how many bags does a small container use? Okay. So, a small container uses 1/6 of the large container. All right. Remember, you can cross cancel if needed to. You can call me and ask any questions that you have. Remember, the even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are your homework. You have Monday and Tuesday to do these 3 worksheets, and Wednesday is your test. Ask any questions you have before you take your test. Have a good day.